frozen foods are just gone. Good morning. It's March 14th. It's Saturday morning. I'm Rebecca Brand, and I've been seeing a whole lot of stuff on Facebook that our town in one day got wiped out of all supplies. That every shelf at Trader Joe's, Lazy Acres, the grocery stores have no food in them at all. Our town was put on social distancing 2 days ago. It was saying you have to be 6 feet away from anybody, but I see social media posts and people are still going out and going out to bars because we live in a college town and all kinds of things. So I think in this video I will put that kind of stuff so you can see what little tiny town of Santa Barbara, with not a single documented case of coronavirus, but we all know it's here. We just don't have the tests. There's been a lot of news reports about the chatter goes back and forth that, oh, you're making too much of this, or Rebecca, you're arch enemy number one because you're showing preparedness and those kind of videos all over the place, and you're part of the problem, you're part of the panic. Well, as soon as the president declared the state of emergency, there was nothing left on the shelves. We're going to go out. It's early. It's like 7:30 in the morning. I'm going to show you just a little bit. This is where I live. And I think I'll be doing a lot of gardening and things like that. There's all kinds of wonderful clean activities we can do outdoors. And in my place, I can do beautiful gardenings and maybe get after those gophers. I'll do some more gopher videos. Those are really big on my channel. I do really well on gophers and rats for some reason. People like to see when I catch those things. So that's what I'm going to do. There's a few things I just forgot to get, and I'm running out of milk. And that's a big thing, and I think you know that about me. I like to have my latte. So that's what I'm going to do. So hang out with me. Let's go shopping. I also want to add, I'm in my pajamas, and I want to mention this. Today, I was supposed to be filming another mask video on simpler masks, a surgical kind, because I believe that people should wear them in order to just be polite. That's a big thing. I put this thing on Facebook of what I believe about my mask. I think they're really important. And also, if somebody does sneeze on you, it's not a direct hit onto your nose and mouth. I think they have some value. I think why are people in other countries, China, they all wear masks, and they wear simple masks. And I don't know. I don't know why people say don't wear masks, doesn't do anything for you. I think it makes it so when I sneeze, the person doesn't have to worry because they don't feel the sneeze droplets getting on them. I think my elbow sneeze, I could miss. Things can go other places. So I think a mask is important. But in any case, I wanted to film this video. I'm having Lucinda come by, and she sews great. And this is my edit room. My garage room. It's really kind of mess, but I just do everything in my home. One of my editors has a bad cold, and he was supposed to come in earlier this week so I could crunch out a number of the videos, a lot of my cooking videos. But he's sick, which is so sad. And he hadn't worked for about 4 days because he does another job too, and he had a break. But he's sick, so I think I'm down to one editor. She's great, love her. But the other videographer editor is sick, and I think that would mean that he may not be coming back, because I would want anybody, especially if they can't get tested, it would certainly need to be about a month. So that's like, wow, it's kind of hitting my business too, So that's sad. Okay, I'm gonna get dressed. I'm gonna go shopping. So I've just arrived at Smart & Final. I see they have a truck. They're stocking up. This is a good time. It's about 8:30. I ran out of the house because I felt I was running late. I brought one of these masks, and I'm going to be making a pattern today to make this kind, so it's really easy and lightweight for those that want this, not the big thick mask. And I also forgot my gloves. Now, whoa! I'm showing what a little stress can do in coming shopping prepared. So I have a hand sanitizer, and I have Kleenexes, and I have my shopping list. So come with me and let's go shopping and see what they have, because I hear they're sold out of everything. Okay, let's go. First problem, there's no carts. No carts, no carts, no carts, no carts. No carts. Down with your, oh, okay, thank you. That's her cart. She won't part with it. All right, I got a cart. Gotta wipe it down. I haven't even touched it with my hands. Just with my body. So give it a wipe. Bing. Okay. And I'm saving this for who knows what. Of apples. So this is what's going on with the shelves in Smart and Final. And you know, I was just here the other day. They are just down to hardly anything. Very few pastas, very few tomato products, very, gosh, it's just empty, slim pickings, slim pickings. Oh, they have beans left. Oh no. No. Bean aisle. Very few beans. But they still have some beans. So I guess that's the bright side. They have some. Some mashed potato products. A lot of them are gone. Shortening. Somebody asked me to do stuff with Crisco substitute instead of butter. So I'm gonna make a recipe per request. The bean aisle, these are supposed to all be the beans, the little beans that you boil. They got one little packet of rejected beans. No rice. No rice at all. And that guy over there was a cougher, so we are avoiding him. He was coughing all over the meat department, so I can't even get my ground beef because I saw him hacking up on the ground beef. So I ran and got some chickens before he got there. Oh my God. There's a frozen food department. A lot of the frozen foods are just gone. That's it. Oh, I like this. I get a lot of the petite white corn. I'm getting that. I love that stuff. I put it in chili and all kinds of things. Okay. Juices aisle. A lot of juices are gone. A lot of empty shelves here. I guess people like the orange juice. And I want some butter. What can we have? Oh, great. They still have butter. I'm getting a lot of butter. And salted. That's no big deal. I'll have my own salt. I also have the expensive butter, but I don't buy expensive butter. I buy cheap butter. And that would be it. I saved $2 by buying the unsalted. Love chorizo. A lot of flavor in that. I'm getting one. Wow. Out. 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 Unbelievable. There's the sign. Oh my goodness. No, none of that. No disinfecting hand sanitizer, liquid hand soap, latex, disposable gloves, toilet paper, tissue, bottled water. Out, out, out. Medicines really out. Hardly anything. I was just here 3 days ago. Unbelievable. There's the empty shelves. Laundry soaps. Out. Okay, they got the games. That's about it. Out, 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 out. Hardly anything left. That looks pretty good. $6.99. That's a good deal. Wow. Well, I would think they're going to restock this. Same with the soaps. Hardly any soaps for washing dishes in your house. You know what? I'm going to get this one because I do a lot of dish detergent right by hand, so I want that one. Even hand soaps. Hardly anything left. Wow. I need some onions, but oh my gosh, look at that. Out of so many things. Here's the frozen foods. I got a lot of shrimp. A lot of the stuff is gone, but they still have some stuff. That's good. Oh, I love the meatballs. I've got to get some meatballs. Oh my gosh, the girl just completely coughed here, and I want my sausages to make some. God dang it. I want some sausages to make my gumbo. Andouille chicken. That's going to be it. I just finished my trip at Smart and Final. What a doozy that was. There's my cart. And I really need the hand sanitizer now. And I'll tell you what. There were two people that totally coughed. They were all over the food. I mean, there was no elbow, there was no armpit. It was blatant. And it was almost as if they were saying, to heck with y'all, I don't care, because I'm probably dying. I mean, that was so weird to see that. I mean, really, people, we're all on one planet. We're just trying to survive here. Just come on. Just have some manners. The shows were not great, but there was enough stuff that you could get stuff you would need. So that was great. They must have restocked some stuff. I have a whole series on the coronavirus and a lot of DIY projects too, so I hope you subscribe to my channel and make a comment, because if you make a comment, it helps with YouTube algorithm so that other people get to see my content. And you know, these are not, when I do these coronavirus videos, I don't monetize them, you know, whatever, YouTube has their thing, it's okay. So I'm just doing this because I feel it's my mission. And your incredible stories, if you are new and this is the first video you've seen, if you look through the comments, oh my gosh, people are sharing stories from all over the world on what their experience is. Every night I read them, I comment back, and it is fascinating because it's on the street reports from people watching these videos with their real true life stories. And please tell me yours. And you know, most of these videos are really upbeat and happy, but today was kind of a weird day. Follow me and Rebecca Graham on Facebook too, and make your comments there too. Thank you very, very much for listening to me. Subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you get notified of my next video. And I hope you are very safe and well prepared. You know, I'm sorry to have to be the messenger. Go to the messenger. Just be well prepared. Much love to you all. Bye.